second to read it, okay?
Can we have quiet, please?
Okay, 2024 CR 2701, State versus James Brennand.
He is present, Your Honor.
Okay, will the attorneys please state their names for the record?
Neil Cordero for the state of Texas.
Nicole Thornbrook for the state. Thornbrook for the state.
Jay Norton.
Okay, and sir, are you James Brennand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so counsel, let's see, the state filed a motion, so state, you go first.
Judge, this is an agreed motion filed by both parties, an agreed motion for continuance. Both parties are asking the court to continue this case for the reasons stated in the motion. Orally, we can just represent to the court that defense counsel has requested or is needing time to evaluate new experts that they have begun to evaluate as of last Friday. At least that's when we became aware of that. Further, we have requested the internal affairs files for all of the San Antonio police officers that were involved in this case. The city has quashed that subpoena. Both parties are seeking a continuance to sort that issue out. And further, we aren't in agreement with this continuance so that the discovery process can continue in good faith.
Okay, and defense?
Judge, I would just echo the same sentiments that Mr. Cordero did and say that I think the prosecutors on this case are trying to do the right thing by way of discovery, and I don't want to put them in a bad situation since the intention is to do the right thing, and we concur.
Okay, so just to make sure, you're seeking additional experts regardless, correct? And you need more time to be able to consult with them, is that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then the state, you've issued subpoenas for those IA files?
We have, Judge.
And there's presently a City of San Antonio motion to quash those subpoenas?
Yes,
correct?
Judge. It was filed, I believe, last week on Friday.
Now, that's pending, correct?
It is pending, and we're going to need some time to
Sort that out?
sort that out.
Okay, and in addition, you are seeking additional discovery as part of your continuing good faith effort to provide the defense with discovery?
Yes.
Okay, and Mr. Brennand, I see that you have your signature affixed to this motion. Well, yeah, is that your signature there, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're in agreement with this request to continue the case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then we'll go ahead and grant that motion. This case had been set for trial, jury selection April 11th and trial on April 14th, so those will be canceled. And do you all have any idea now when it is that you want to have this scheduled, or do we need to reschedule for a setting? Because otherwise, I don't want it to fall through the cracks that we just let it go in limbo. So can we schedule, like when would you know when you want to go to trial?
Judge, I think next Friday we can have a status hearing to determine a new scheduling order.
Will that give you enough time to at least resolve some of these issues?
Probably not, Your Honor, but in a week, at least from the City of San Antonio perspective. But that would give us time to kind of herd the cats and get all our calendars together.
Okay, so reset. What's next Friday?
April 4th for a status hearing.
Okay, so we're set for next.
Judge, just a minor thing. I have something on April 4th that I kind of can't miss. I don't really want to put it on the record, but
That's fine.
if we could do, say, 10 instead of 9, that would
That's
be
fine.
very helpful.
So Friday, April what, I'm sorry? April 4th, is that what you
It
said?
was set for April 4th.
Okay, April 4th of 2025 at 10 a.m., okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, anything else from your side?
Nothing,
Let's
Mr.
get a motion is signed, you all can get copies of it at some point, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, you may. Thank you, Mr. Brennand.
Thank you, Judge.